I get a feeling it's going to be a riot.
Awesome, thank you. You too, thank you. Have a good day.
See you later.
Thanks. All right, dude. It's the next day. We missed the. Where are you? YouTube, come back. There we are. We're back. Heck yeah. Anyways, mounts are failing. We're getting crazy. Anyways, like I was saying, we missed the drop off yesterday. I was at work. I couldn't get away from work. So, we got to drive out to FedEx today. Go get that rear end. Right, babe? You going to be my helper today?
Yeah.
Yeah? You got to do your hair first? Nah? We don't need to do our hair. We don't need to do our hair. Let's see.
I'm gonna play on the trampoline when I get home.
You're gonna play on the trampoline when you get home?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna play on the trampoline.
Okay.
Even though I really want to. Do you like the trampoline?
Yeah.
How about Daddy's car? Are you excited to get it back on the road?
Yeah.
I think when we get it back going, me and you should go for a drive. What do you think?
Me and Charlie.
You and Charlie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I can't wait. So,
And Mommy.
yeah, Mommy too. We had to go get coffee first though, right? Because she said you can't go nowhere without getting me coffee. That's the rule. So, we got coffee. And then we're going to be on our way to FedEx. So, heck yeah. They just called me this morning. It was like a Las Vegas number. Luckily, I answered it. Some guy sounded pretty cool. He said he's got some car parts for me. I said, yeah, I want to come pick them up. He said they were open, so I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting them to be closed today. That's just the way my luck goes. But, yeah. Hell yes. Here we go. I'm going to go drop these coffees off, and then we're going to go get that rear end. All right. The drop was successful. We got our snacks. Got my granola bar. Granola bar. Protein, something, whatever. Because I don't eat much, so I gotta eat something. What do you got, Wet?
Got double stuffed Oreos.
Yeah?
3 packs of Welch fruit snacks.
Okay. And chocolate milk. We're doing good on the nutrition this morning. Not really.
Well, we're doing good because we don't drink much pop anymore.
That is right. We stopped buying pop. Daddy still drinks energy drinks every day, though. Is that bad?
No.
All right, well, we're on our way to FedEx. I'm excited. Excited, Whip. I'm excited just to roll around in the G8, dude. I've not driven that thing. It's almost been 2 months. So, hell yeah.
I'm eating my fruit box.
All right. Well, here we go. the package. Did we get the package? Huh?
Yeah.
We got the package. We got the package. All right, now we go home.
Which one do you need?
This one.
This one?
Yep.
Okay, 2 of them.
Yep. Cute. What's up, guys? Just got out of Napa. I'm out here. We're saving the whales, dude. SeaWorld Rescue. If I ever do a 10 things I hate about the G8, what's number 1 on the list gonna be, Whitney?
You can never find anything.
Holy cow, dude. That's not even coached, dude. You can't find anything for it. We literally went in there, you know, I was like, oh, you know, I'll pick up some axle seals or something, you know. Obviously we're in Napa, you know, we're not shopping online like everybody else does, but dude, we go anywhere. Like, I couldn't find axles and can't find shit. There's nothing. You can't get anything. I wanted a new boot for the axles. They don't even list one. They don't even know what size the clamp is. We're on our way back. We're gonna go start putting this damn thing back together. First, I gotta rebuild that axle, so, which entails cleaning the shit out of it, cleaning everything, cleaning the cage for the bearings. Hopefully we can put that thing back together, so we're gonna go find that out now. If we can't put it back together and we can't make it work, holy shit. And then the nuts that go on the axles are supposed to be one-time use. I can't even find those damn things, so that could be another week, you know. Just figure that if you own a G8, every time you need something, you're gonna be a week out on parts unless you wanna pay next day or, you know, no matter what. So, there's your tip. Life tip 1 for owning a G8. Heck yeah. Now we're going home. All right, what's up, y'all? We're back at the house. We got the package back here. We've got the tools ready. Got my spindles, everything. Got the axle that I gotta put back together. I'm gonna show you that. It's
What we're gonna cut it open with?
oh yeah, I'm gonna cut that box open. This is the one I was talking about. I gotta rebuild. I gotta go back. I gotta get one of these clamps. And then we're hoping that everything is gonna go together. I don't know. We're gonna see, but that's the plan. So, got our working clothes on. Some of you might notice the shirt. Me and the guy that used to own that shop, we used to be really, really good buddies, like brothers. So, if you know me, you know that kind of deal. You kind of know what's been going on, but I don't know where he is. Don't know. I mean, so I don't know. Just kind of putting that out there. Kind of think what you want or whatever. I don't even know what to think. So, anyways, like I said, we put clothes on we can work in. I had a lot of fun during those years, going to Street Outlaws, all that kind of thing. But just kind of get that out of the way. I don't know where he is. I don't know what's going on. So, anyways, enough of that. Just thought I'd say something because I was wearing the shirt. So, heck yeah, let's get into this reveal, huh? So, I'm going to put a picture up here of what we're supposed to get. I'm going to see if that's actually what we got. Hopefully it is. Think that would pain to get it, but, you know, finally pulled the trigger and bought an SS for it. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, don't cut your finger. Want me to do it? Okay, ready?
Got it.
That one. And then this one.
Okay, can I cut the other side?
Yep. Don't cut towards yourself. There you go.
Wait.
Cut the tape. There you go. Alright, let's see what we got in here.
Let's see.
You got that? Here. I got it. Alright, let's see what's in here.
Oh.
It's already looking dirty.
Wait, just a sec.
Okay. Yep, she's a leaker, but it's what was in the picture, so that's what we got. Got the 327 LSD. Let's get it out of here. Hold on a sec. Put my gloves on. Right side. Obviously we're gonna have to silicone this back together, but let's make sure we got this all apart, everything, you know, just to show you what the open diff looks like versus the LSD unit. Like I said, this is a 327, so I'm gonna hold the camera wet. So I did all my research online. Everything looks good. Kind of look in here and see the splines. You see down in here wet?
Yep.
So you can kind of see everything looks good. So what we're gonna do is I've got this axle end. Still have to put back together. So splines should all be the same. So golden. And so what we gotta do is we gotta get this old rubber piece off and get it on the new rear end. So all right, got that piece off. That's got to go on the new rear end. So like I said, those just pop into the receiver parts in here. So we'll probably lube those up and just put it in there. But yeah, that's the old one. Back in the box. Alright, so I had to take a break. Had to go to the store. Needed some clamps. I just got the universal ones. Also went and got, I didn't have one of these, which I might end up using again, but shit, it was only like 10 bucks at like O'Reilly's, so we're gonna be using that to put the clamps on. Had to get some grease. You can buy these little packs of grease. You can buy them in tubes. You can buy them in whatever. But I had to put this axle back together, so. Alright, so the problem with this thing is the nut doesn't want to go on because I f***ed up. I mushroomed it. It's still mushroomed out enough, so I'm going to try to grind off the edges just to get it to where it'll catch, and then I got to do the other one as well. So, heck yeah, safety first. What's up, y'all? Just got the G8 put back in the garage. I got the Civic tucked over there. Had to clean up the garage a little bit, but It's not a lot of space, but it's enough. Had to get the car back in here because living in the hood all last night, I could think about was somebody putting my car up on stands and taking my wheels. So I got to get out of this place soon enough. But like I said, if you stuck around and you made it to the end of the video, thanks a lot. It was a lot of work. Towards the end of the video, I kind of shut it off and I didn't film any of the suspension and putting the brakes and the spindles and everything else in, but I just wanted to get it done. So got that going. If you got any questions, put them up in the comments. I know there's only a couple videos of this install. This was a 2012 SS Camaro rear end that I put in here. Everything was axles slid right in. Pretty seamless, didn't have to modify anything. But yeah, it's back on the road. So like I said, if you had any questions, comments, I'm not a pro, so I'm sure a lot of people didn't like the cutting down the ends of the axles, but I ended up with enough for the nut to go all the way in there. So definitely not going to be doing no Gymkhana stuff with the G8 to try to test out if those are actually going to hold or not. So yeah, we'll wait. We'll get the G-force axles. But yeah, like I said, thanks for hanging out. We'll be doing some new videos soon. I've got to tune the G8. I just got to go on and adjust the ratios and stuff since I went from a 292 to a 327. So just got to make the shift points and stuff. So I'm not going to do that in this video. I'll probably do it in the next videos through HP Tuners, kind of show you guys how that's done. But yeah, looking forward to driving it. And like I said, thanks for hanging out and sticking around till the end if you made it. But yeah, hell yeah, if you got any questions, please hit me up, and see you in the next one. Hell yeah, peace out.